In the world of kitchen essentials, this Michelangelo stainless steel saucepan with lid, 3-quart saucepan with steamer insert is a game-changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. With its premium 1810 stainless steel construction, non-stick convenience, and versatile design, this saucepan is perfect for a wide array of culinary tasks. Whether you're simmering broths, steaming seafood, or creating delicate sauces, this product delivers exceptional results. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and practical applications, providing a clear picture of why this saucepan should be your next kitchen investment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Why choose the Michelangelo saucepan? 1. Unmatched versatility. A steamer insert and pour spout make it multifunctional. 2. Premium quality. Durable stainless steel ensures long-term use. 3. Effortless maintenance. Non-stick-like convenience in a stainless steel design. 4. Stylish and functional. Combines elegance with professional-grade performance. Key features of the Michelangelo 3-quart saucepan. Number 1. Premium 1810 stainless steel construction. The saucepan is crafted from high-quality 1810 stainless steel with an aluminum core, ensuring fast and even heat distribution. The non-reactive cooking surface preserves the natural flavors of your food, making every dish a culinary masterpiece. Durability. Resistant to rust, corrosion, and warping, this pan is built to last. Aluminum core ensures quick heating and consistent cooking performance. Number 2. Versatile design with steamer insert. The included steamer insert adds versatility, allowing you to steam vegetables, seafood, and more. This makes it an all-in-one tool for health-conscious cooking. Number 3. Induction and oven compatibility. The saucepan is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and glass. It is also oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, offering seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. Number 4. Easy pour spout. The built-in pour spout eliminates spills and mess, ensuring precise pouring of liquids like soups, sauces, and broths. Number 5. Comfortable design with ergonomic handles. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handles provide a comfortable grip and remain cool during stovetop use. The clear glass lid allows for easy monitoring of your cooking progress. Benefits of the Michelangelo saucepan. Number 1. Professional-grade performance. The impact-bonded aluminum base ensures even heating, eliminating hot spots, and delivering consistent results every time. Number 2. Non-stick convenience. Despite being stainless steel, this saucepan offers non-stick-like convenience, making it easier to clean and cook delicate recipes. Number 3. Multifunctionality. From steaming to simmering, this saucepan's versatile design makes it a staple for various cooking techniques. Number 4. Elegant appearance. The mirror-polished stainless steel finish not only enhances durability but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Practical applications. 1. Simmering broths and soups. Perfect for crafting rich, flavorful broths. 2. Making sauces. Its non-reactive surface is ideal for acidic sauces like tomato-based recipes. 3. Steaming vegetables and seafood. The steamer insert makes healthy cooking easier than ever. 4. Boiling pasta and grains. A 3-quart capacity is ideal for preparing small to medium servings. 5. Heating syrups and sauces. The pour spout ensures a mess-free transfer of liquids. Pros and cons of Michelangelo stainless steel saucepan. Pros. High-quality 1810 stainless steel construction. Fast, even heat distribution with an aluminum core. Versatile with steamer insert and pour spout. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons. Slightly heavier due to premium materials. Handles can get warm during extended use, requiring oven mitts. Care and maintenance tips. Wash with warm, soapy water before first use. Avoid abrasive scrubbers to maintain the polished finish. Dry thoroughly after washing to prevent water spots. Use low to medium heat for optimal cooking performance. Conclusion. This Michelangelo stainless steel saucepan with lid and steamer insert offers the perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. Its premium construction, versatile design, and practical features make it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or a seasoned professional, this saucepan will elevate your cooking experience. Don't wait. Experience the difference for yourself. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.